Hello, welcome to another edition of PlantStar 4.0, a look inside of the manufacturing execution system. Today we're going to talking about adding jobs, creating jobs, and looking at the brilliant job scheduler in PlantStar 4.0. So you can see I have my drop downs here in my administrative view, and this is where I would do my setups for each. Today we're going to focus on setting up jobs. I would go to my job template and I would create a job template. For the sake of time, I'm going to pull up a job template that I created. But you can see I have two templates here and they automatically will select the down reasons, the assist reasons, and the reject reasons that I created. You can create as many unlimited reasons as you like for each category. So I'm going to give my job a name. Anything with a red asterisk has to be filled out. A product name. I have my standard setup time in seconds, standard cycle time in seconds, my cycle time tolerance percentage, number of cycles used for the tolerance calculation, my down threshold, my cycle weight measurement can be put in here. I can choose grams, kilograms, milligram, ounces, or pounds. My calculated runner weight, my material component template group. As you can see, when I create automatic groups, it automatically pulls in the material. Is the refeeding runner, which really means are we reusing runner material. The setup sheets, this is a place to add additional instructions about the job. So you can enter text or HTML directly, insert a clip or link to internal or external content like videos, insert an image, any info that would be helpful for this job. Upload a image of your product, my tool types. So again, I could select my tool types. It's automatically going to give me my tool types selected in the tool type group, and so on. And all I would do would then be save the template. So once I have completed the templates and set up my jobs, I have a list of jobs. Then I would go right into my job scheduler. So into my job scheduler, I can see that I have jobs in the queue that I've created. There's a whole bunch of jobs that I've created, and all I would do is, on demand, I could drag and drop jobs into the scheduler. I can move jobs by dragging and dropping them. So for instance, if I had a demand on this gallon bottle and I wanted to put it ahead of this dollhouse set, all I would do is drag and drop. And then it's going to put that ahead. The gallon bottle is now ahead of that dollhouse set. I can look at the color legend here. Green, I can see my job is on time. This blue line here going down is your real time. I have a possible job tool collision in yellow. I can double click any job and I can pull up specific details about the job. I can edit the job. I can remove the job right from the scheduler. I would save the scheduler. And then this is what the operator interface, or what it looks like after you make changes to on the admin side on the job scheduler. I have all my machines. I can select certain machines if I want to only look at what jobs are running on these specific machines. So fantastic sector inside of PlantStar 4.0, creating jobs, adding jobs, editing jobs, how to utilize the job scheduler in PlantStar 4.0. Thank you and have a great day.